Toyota vehicles come equipped with three key safety systems that work together to protect drivers and passengers. There are specific driving scenarios where temporarily disabling these safety systems becomes necessary. Off-road enthusiasts with vehicles like 4Runners, Tacomas, and Tundras often need controlled wheel slip for rock crawling, sand driving, or navigating through snow and mud. Sports car owners with Supras or GR86s may need to disable systems for track day applications, advanced driver training, or performance driving instruction where understanding vehicle dynamics is crucial. The most common and effective method for deactivating Toyota safety systems is the one-button approach using the VSC off button, typically located near the gear shifter in the center console. Some newer models may require alternative methods such as sequential button presses or navigating through the vehicle's infotainment system menus, but the VSC off button remains the primary method for most 2020 and newer Toyota models. To deactivate the systems, simply hold the VSC off button for 3 or more seconds. You'll see dashboard indicator lights confirm that the systems have been temporarily disabled. This one-button deactivation method works across most Toyota model lines, particularly popular with owners of trucks and SUVs like the 4Runner, Tacoma, and Tundra, as well as sports car enthusiasts with Supras and GR86s. Remember that these safety systems automatically re-enable when you restart your vehicle, and permanent disabling is not possible in most 2020 and newer Toyota models. Only disable these systems when absolutely necessary for specific driving conditions. For 2018 through 2025 Toyota models, the deactivation process follows specific steps. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or engage the parking brake for safety. Next, locate the VSC off button, typically positioned near the gear shifter. Hold this button for 3 to 10 seconds, depending on your specific model year. After holding the button, look for dashboard indicator lights that confirm the systems have been deactivated. These warning lights will illuminate to show which safety features are now disabled. Important considerations must be understood before disabling these systems. Deactivating safety features may void certain warranty protections and could potentially affect insurance claims if an accident occurs while systems were intentionally disabled. Follow these best practices when disabling safety systems. Only disable them when specific driving conditions absolutely require it, such as off-road situations or getting unstuck from snow or mud. Remember that these safety systems automatically re-enable when you restart your vehicle. Regular maintenance of these systems ensures they function properly when you need them most for your safety and the safety of others on the road.